All right, back for some more brake system upgrades. Well, not a true upgrade, but putting the brake booster on that's supposed to be on the system with the Spyder Master Cylinder and the larger 6-piston calipers up front. We also did the larger calipers in the back as a matching set with the larger diameter rotors, 350 all the way around. So the first thing you need to do when doing this job is disconnect the back of the brake booster from the brake pedal. And when I say that's a pain in the ass, I mean that's for donkey pain in the ass level. I bought a tool that was supposed to be for BMWs. It is not for Porsche. This is supposed to go in the brochure, if you will, instructions. This is supposed to go up against the firewall. Well, underneath ours is just plastic, so that is not going to work. I did order a new carrier, if you will, that this brake booster seats into. There's a special tool for this, a Porsche tool, but I couldn't find it anywhere for sale. Okay, so your safety brief. Wear your gloves when dealing with brake fluid and or transmission fluid. It's a synthetic, it goes right through the skin into the bloodstream. Grease, no big deal. So with that, I've got video changing out the master cylinder, so I'm not going to bore you with that. I've got it bagged up on the bottom because I'm going to make a mess. So with that, let's get the master cylinder off, and then we'll get some more video when we get to the brake booster. Alrighty, so here we are. We have the master cylinder off and we have the brake booster exposed. So we got to take this vacuum line off, and it's literally just a push and pull. So my technique here is to get a flat tip screwdriver on the opposing side that you're going to grab with this guy, this tube, and on the opposite end, because if you don't, it'll get pulled in one direction. So get her over, get behind there, and gently just pull it straight out. So it's, I don't know what the hell you call it, the type of fastener it is, but it's just a push pull, and you get the screwdriver back there and you pull it off. These guys here, I'll break the torque with a wrench, and then get my power tool to take this joker off. Guess how long these bolts are. All right. So, without further ado, Scooby-Doo. So, without further ado, we took our vacuum line off, took the big bolts out. There's very little torque on that at all. I barely touched the booster, and here we go. Like Scooby-Doo. You are not taking this guy off without taking your master cylinder out. It's just not happening. So this is a 981 355 2532, and what we're putting in is our 991 355 025 86. So I took a picture of a GT4, I think it was an RS, I can't remember, but it was a 718 GT4, and it had, the last two was an 88. So I figured I'm in the 8 series, I'm gonna give it a try. So with that, like I said, the first part of this job is to get that stinking brake pedal off. I destroyed the little plastic carrier. I thought I had a damn replacement, but Amazon shipped something other than what I ordered. So with that, I'm going to get it back together, reorder my part, and reverse the steps here. So stand by. So this is the little guy, the little carrier that the back end of the brake booster sits into, and it clips in there. I destroyed this joker getting it out of there. It is maddening to get out. However, going back in, I can see the design. It has chamfered edges. It's just going to snap right back in place. So I'm not worried about replacing this guy. Get the one with the little metal cap on the end. Again, I destroyed this thing. Getting it out, absolute nightmare. Muscle failure, zero patience left. So with this guy, it's actually in really great shape. It's used, but I can still see the white grease inside there. So I'm not worried about it at all. No dents. So yeah, very happy with the supplier on this guy. So let's get her in. Just like that. As our granddaughter says, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And we'll just go in reverse order. I do have my Carsoft POR version 3 for the blade, the bleed of this, so I can bleed the ABS module. So we'll see how this goes. I might pull my old one out and replace that with that. So we'll see. With that though, let me get this thread started. I'm being a little pain. I don't want to put you through this nightmare. So let me get it back together. Reverse order. Let's go.